How to buy and install an algorithm for NinjaTrader. First, we go to adaptix.gumroad.com. There we can choose the algorithm we want, add it to your cart. As you can see, when you add a product to your cart, other recommended products will appear. Today, I feel like buying 2 algorithms. Once you click the payment button, you'll see information and a download link for the NinjaTrader 8 file. After downloading it, go to your Downloads folder, copy the file, and navigate to the Documents folder. Then go to the NinjaTrader 8 folder, click on Bin, then Custom, and finally click on Strategies. Paste your file in the Strategies folder. Congratulations! You now have the algorithm in your NinjaTrader 8 files. Now let's go to NinjaTrader. Click on the New menu, then Strategy Builder. Select your algorithm, verify that the stop loss and take profit are correct, and click on Compile. Once compiled, go back to the New menu and open the Strategy Analyzer. Load your algorithm, select the corresponding parameters, and boom! Your strategic algorithm is now working. Here's a small tutorial on how to load it on a chart. Click on the New menu, then Chart. In the chart parameters, set them according to the strategy you purchased. We'll use another strategy for this example. With the chart ready, click on Strategies. Choose your algorithm, add it, go to the main NT8 tab, go to the Strategies sub-tab, select it, and boom! It's added, ready. It was a pleasure providing this tutorial for you.